Jim, pull it towards you. Okay, just level it up. Hold it right there for a minute, George. George, hold it right there. Jim, come over towards Charlie some. We gotta get you and Tom on about the same distance apart from Charlie, and get the slack out so that you're pulling about the same.